Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 1.6% in the last session. The Ultimate Oscillator's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Euro-dollar pair fell 0.6% in the last session. The MACD's positive signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The pound-dollar pair fell 0.8% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie fell 0.7% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The local division of the Korean electronics giant is partnering with technology recycling firm Computer Recycling to reuse the gold, silver and other metal components in old smartphones and other discarded devices. The UK's FTSE 100 index slipped, weighed down by cyclical sectors and shares of British American tobacco as investors awaited a key US Federal Reserve monetary policy decision. Cryptocurrency options and futures exchange Deribit has been hacked, with $28 million being drained from its hot wallet. The company tweeted that client assets have not been affected, but withdrawals have been temporarily halted as the exchange makes security checks.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's monetary policy summary will be released at 1200 hours GMT. Spain's unemployment change at 0800 hours GMT. Australia's exports at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment will be released at 2350 GMT. Australia's trade balance at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.